Good morning. Today is day 12. We're getting ready to leave Dauphin Island, head over I think it's 2 or 3 mile long bridge.
Yep.
So that should be kind of a fun way to start the day.
Yeah, we slept good last night here at the Dauphin Island campground. These dews are excessive here in the morning. Everything's wet again, kind of makes it a mess to pack up. But I got 50-ish miles to Pascagoula, Mississippi.
Pascagoula?
Pascagoula?
I'm not sure how you say it.
I think it's Mississippi. I think we get into Mississippi today. So looks like another nice day. We got a big stretch of rain coming up ahead of us. I don't know if we'll ride out of it as we're going west or not, but today looks nice anyway, so we'll see it on the road. View from the bridge coming off of Dauphin Island. The ferry took us from that strip on the Gulf, and then we took a bridge going up to the mainland. And we crossed a lot of high bridges the last while here. Well, we're about 10 miles in. Humid as a dog today, man. We're shedding some more clothes. We're at Port Alabama, I think, a little burg here at the corner of 188 and 193. We turn right here. Stopping at Dollar General. These places are the fabric of America anymore, I'll tell you. Not sure you necessarily want to buy your fabrics here, but other than that.
Thinking of buying a shirt.
Sarah, Diane might commit. I'll tell you how it holds up. It might make it to Texas, we'll see. But yeah, grab some snacks here, something cold to drink, and head on down the road. Taking a break here at a church. Setting the steps a while, just catching our breath. Been a good morning. The wind's getting a little frisky. You can see by the flag over there, it's kind of in our face, but we got 6 miles to KFC, so that's giving us a little pep in our step, hopefully. At least enough to get there anyways.
And just like that, we have flat number 5.
Another steep bridge here in Pascagoula. One more yet today, one more bridge. Pretty on top, but they're tough climbing.